It's all here. This completes our first shipment of heroin, 100% pure.
Yeah, it better be. All 40 kilos.
Final shipment will be delivered in 3 days. Then we'll expect payment.
Don't worry.
Your guns.
Kill him.
Nordberg yet?
Right out there, Frank. You want to take a dinghy?
No, I took care of that at the press conference. Doesn't make sense, you know. Good policeman, bright future. Something like this happens.
He was found by the night watchman. We better do some checking around. I'm going to talk to the harbor master.
I'll walk around the docks, take a snoop.
Yeah.
Lieutenant Drebin, police squad.
Oh, I remember you, Drebin. What do you want?
I want to ask you some questions. You familiar with that face?
I don't know. My memory ain't so great.
Oh, yeah? Maybe this will refresh your memory.
I don't know. It's still kind of hazy.
How about this?
Yeah, I remember him. I used to see him around. Why do you want to know?
I can't tell you that.
Well, maybe this'll help.
I really don't think I should.
Yeah, you still don't think so?
All right, his name is Nordberg. He's a cop.
He was no cop. He was dealing H.
What?
I'm telling you, he was dirty.
Oh, you sniveling scum. I ought to run you in right now.
All right. He worked at Ludwig's Shipping. He tried to push something on one of my boys. I swear it. So what are you going to do about it, copper?
Well, why should I tell you?
Maybe this'll help.
I still don't think I should tell you.
Can you spot me at 20? How about now?
All right, I'm going down to Ludwig's office. I'll find out if you're telling the truth.